A Beaverton man is in jail on suspicion of using his role as a Navy recruiter to lure at least one minor into sexual relations. The Clackamas County Sheriff's Office arrested Sean William Kelly, 27, on Monday. Kelly faces charges that include second-degree sex abuse, third-degree sex abuse, luring a minor and sexual delinquency of a minor. He is being held at Clackamas County Jail, and his bail has been set at $75,000. Police say the victim, a student, met Kelly while he was working for the Navy in an Oregon City recruitment office. The sheriff's office was unclear about Kelly's rank, his current military status, or whether he was still working as a recruiter. Police are asking anyone who has been victimized by Kelly or has any information about other victims to contact the Clackamas County Sheriff's Office tip line at 503-723-4949 or online here. Those offering tips should reference case No. 17-15690. Anna Maram.